Hi friend, welcome to the YouTube channel WG News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about four takeaway from Pakistan. Success run checks against Canada. Pakistan have been not brave at this 20 T20 World Cup. Once again I say welcome back. If you are new viewer and or viewer, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest update and stay connected with me. Pakistan defied Canada by 7 wickets on Tuesday to against their first win at the T20 World Cup 2024. Here are not four talking points from that game. Power play wins when Pakistan began their one chance against Canada. They needed two shots, 107 and 5.35 an over. When the power play ended, that run rate had stopped up to 5.65. They say fortune favored the brave. Pakistan have not been brave at this 220 World Cup. It has been a will scene. They have show cross with the bat. That did play some shots its passes in reland, but uglier their batting has remained on the conservative end of stump. But look favored Pakistan again on Tuesday. The Queen for the second time on the fell in Babar Azam favor for a match to be placed on a fresh wicket of which variable bonds and extend against for first fast bowler. Under undercover case power as kicking logic struggled open to below. It was a not only because of conditions on offer, but it will also provide Pakistan and to know how that needs to place their run catch in order to improve their net run rate. It is going to be neither USA or Pakistan who program choose Super 8s from Group A will India. A first around emulations after defined to USA and India. It is very much on the card of Pakistan. Thought they need our result to go it their favor, which are not of their hands, but to make sure that they win and then the magic with which they win are totally in Pakistan control. Pakistan throw an out of from Sami Indian in the playing X1 for these competitions. The team did to do away with rags, evasions and fear to at the top of the batting order. The plans never translated his dynamic promise into international performance. Pakistan, regardless, continued to back him. The captain and all format made their intentions clear in several media interactions about giving considered run to this young left-hander. By just a match out of this World Cup, they run out of partitions and finally instead Babar Azam at the top, once again filling the heart of on their scoring rates. Pakistan sent in Mohammad Rizwan this time to open the Trackley run cash of 107 on wickets. It is It is world innocent in his international white ball crisis. Rizwan was on 9 of 14 when Babar joined him on the second ball of the 50 hours. Pakistan were 20 for 1. They would have been 15 for 1 had Klim Sana not cheered on down the length in the first hour. Their power play source would release read 28 for 1. They hit only one bounder of the bat, which came only in the sixth hour. Pakistan have once again been with the bat, but that it is not a loyalty that they can afford anymore. Even Canada were quieter of the blocks than Pakistan. Canada came out blazing. They says that match. They know that their best bet of putting up a changing total is to announce as much runs as they can win when the ball is no. So they attacked Aaron Jokes. Shim arrived for fourth. It was the first time that first two balls of the inning in T20 World Cup were hit for Boston Naseem Shah and Muhammad Imran would be hit for four of the first ball of their overs, the second and third of the ninth. Canada finished the power play with five bouncers, four better than Pakistan. Pakistan bouncers, but Tuesday concept that undergirds Pakistan in sticking to their stamps. The glads Pakistan will start to and leave runs for the end. Changing the conditions would be favorable to Bester by then on not. In the third three matches that they have played in this T20 World Cup, their scores after the first 6 hours have been 30 for their 35 for 1 and 28 for 1 against USA, India and Canada. Travis Razvan, after opening, has outplayed the hour power play. His scores at the 6 hour mark have been 60 of 20 and 17 of 23 that are will below run and ball. Azam was 4 of 14 when the power play conducted against the USA. Once again, I say welcome back if you are new viewer and or viewer. I hope you will be enjoy this video. If you did like this video, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.